Welcome to Titan Machinery of Dickinson. In today's video, we'll be demonstrating a new 2012 Case CX160B. Let's take a closer look at the features on this excavator. This Case CX160B has a general purpose bucket, 120 horsepower, and a hydrostatic transmission. The cab is fully enclosed with heating and air conditioning. Thank you for viewing this Case CX160B. If you're interested in this excavator and would like to contact our sales staff, give them a call at 701-227-5309. To view other available used equipment, check out dickinson.titanmachinery.com.